Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be slightly different than what I've been doing. I'm going to be giving you guys an extreme power hour clean with me. I'm taking advantage that my kids are actually sleeping together, so this is going to be a nap time power hour. I normally will clean up downstairs when they're sleeping, but my master bedroom and master bathroom have definitely been neglected. I still have boxes from Christmas presents and it's just a mess and it needs a little TLC. So today, while they are sleeping on my bed, I'm going to take advantage of this nap and do a power hour clean with me for my master bedroom and my master bathroom as well. So if you need some cleaning motivation, make sure you turn up the music, grab your broom and your favorite cleaning supply, and let's get to work. Alright guys, today's video is going to give you some extra cleaning motivation, as this is actually a collaboration with my friend on here, Veronica. You can find her on her channel, Blessed Mama V. Veronica is also a wife, a mom of two. She loves coffee just like me. If you guys watch any of my vlogs, you know I always have coffee in hand, or I always make coffee first thing in the morning. She also loves fitness and food and of course cleaning. This girl has some super motivational cleaning videos. I absolutely love her channel. She did just recently separate her channel and still does vlogs, but on a separate vlog channel, so you can subscribe to one or both if you would like. If you like vlogs, I know you guys will like her videos as well, but her cleaning videos are so great, you guys. And I know I don't do this, but her cleaning videos are super long, which is great when you have those marathon cleanings or you need to do like a whole house cleaning. Like, she is definitely your go-to girl that you want to clean with. So I will go ahead and link her channel down in the description box below for you, and I will add her video to the end of this one, so once you're done here you can just shoot over to her video. I know she's gonna have some high energy music as well, so if I don't get it all done with you guys, you can continue to clean with Veronica as well. And don't forget to subscribe to her channel and let her know that I sent you too. I don't know why I have been so lazy when it comes to breaking down my boxes. It's just something that I really don't like to do. I don't know if anyone else is like that, but I'm getting a lot better. My project this year is to get my house in order and just make sure everything has a home and go through. I'm actually going to start a full decluttering process and series on the channel, so if you guys want to see that, it's going to be very budget friendly, and it's basically going room by room or section by section. We're going to go ahead and declutter everything, donate. I'll show you guys how I make extra money through selling stuff. This way I can purchase new items for our areas and just kind of make it more of a fun space. I've lived here for about 2 years and I haven't decorated anything. My walls are really bare, and so I think it's time for Mama to actually start decorating and decluttering and pretending like I didn't just move in. Also, I know that is a lot of hair, you guys. I do have an Australian cattle dog. I also have a cat, and I have pet dander everywhere. I do try to vacuum and sweep daily, but I just always have hair and lint all over the floor and all over the tables, and it's honestly so disgusting, and I don't know how to not have it. So if you guys have any tips for me, if you have dogs or animals that shed all the time, definitely let me know in the comments below, because I definitely need a solution to this, especially with the baby who's starting to crawl. I cannot keep picking him up and have hair all over the place. But I do bring my mail up here because I do have a paper shredder. I am really big at shredding my mail, all of those offers that you get, like credit card offers and all that stuff. My husband and I are trying to get out of debt. We definitely don't want credit cards, but I don't just like throwing that stuff away because it does have personal information on there. So I make sure any bills, anytime we go to the doctors for the kids, anything like that with sensitive information, I have to shred, you guys. It's such a good habit to do. So if you don't do it, I'm gonna link that shredder down in the description box for you guys. I think it was like $10, maybe $20, super cheap, but it comes in handy. And like I said, it just protects your personal information and keeps it safe.
What you think?
Alright, but once I am done with my bedroom part of it, my kids are luckily still asleep, I go ahead and start in the bathroom. For the bathroom, I do kind of wipe down every other day, but it just gets so cluttered all the time. I'm always in here. You can obviously tell we do not have a his and her sink, so it's me, and then I get the kids ready in here, and Aria is my 3.5-year-old. She is in preschool, and so we're just constantly on the go. So I need to get better at putting stuff away right away so it doesn't get cluttered like this. But again, once I start that decluttering process of my home, I'm gonna have less stuff in my house, less stuff to clutter at my house, and basically it's just gonna be able to keep my house a lot cleaner. So I'm super excited to start that series. And then, I don't know about you guys, but whenever I mop, especially in the bathroom, being postpartum, my hair sheds all the time. So the mop likes to pick up all of that hair and extra dirt, and it kind of clumps. So I find that toilet paper works the best. It's kind of like a static thing to pick it up off the floor. So I always kind of wipe things down that are extra dusty with a little bit of toilet paper. And then at this time, I'm almost done, but of course my son wakes up a little bit early, and you usually find me with him on my hip trying to do things. So it's super funny how talented you can get as a mom doing things with one hand.
Buy what I want, I don't want it. Do what I like, I don't like it. My life is a mess, screaming with boredom. I don't feel nothing when I'm buzzing. Someone adds some.
And then for my bedroom, I did use a multi-purpose spray. It actually, I think I was using a Method bottle, but inside of it was the Fabuloso multi-purpose spray. But for my bathroom, I do use the Clorox spray. I think it's the Scentiva, the coconut one. It's really, really good, you guys. But I use that for like the toilets and stuff. And then I do use the Method antibacterial spray for our sinks. I just don't like to not use antibacterial or anything like that. It's your bathroom. Obviously, there's a lot of germs in there, so I like cleaning my bathroom with bleach and stuff like that, not just a multi-purpose spray.
I even lie when I tell the truth. Honestly, what's the use? They say you have to be beaten up before you're tender enough. They say you have to bruise to feel. I must be made out of steel.
And then I did not get to mop this part just because my daughter, when she woke up, she never wakes up very happy, so she just wanted me. So I just wanted to hurry up, put everything back, do a quick sweep, and then of course wash my hands before picking up the kids. But I hope this gave you some inspiration to get it done, you guys. Let me know what area of your home really needs the most TLC. I feel like my master bedroom and bathroom always gets neglected since we're not there that often, but like I said, I'm going to be doing a much better job, and it just feels really good to to walk into a bedroom. Like, I just felt like I slept better as soon as I did this because there's less clutter and everything else. Again, don't forget to head over to my friend Veronica's channel. I will leave her linked in the description box along with at the end of this video, so you can check her channel out, get some more cleaning motivation, and don't forget to subscribe and let her know. And if you are from her channel, I hope you guys stick around and subscribe to mine as well. But as always, guys, I love you, and I will see you in the next video.